Narita Airport. Green cars are car number 4 and number 5. A green car ticket is required in the green car. The next station is Tsuga, JO30. Your attention please. The station where you should get off depends on which airline you are going to use. Please be careful. Passengers departing from Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, please get off at the station for Narita Airport Terminals 2 and 3. Passengers departing from Terminal 1, please remain on board and get off at the final stop, Narita Airport Terminal 1. まもなくTsuga。お出口は右側です。千葉都市モノレールはお乗り換えです。Tsugaから先は終点まで各駅に停まります。The next station is Tsuga, JO30. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your for the Chiba-Toshi monorail line. After Tsuga, we will be stopping at all stations beyond.